Okay, so we're going to be calling a step-by-step telephone exchange. Now, many of these are not common anymore. They were common back in the day. So we're going to dial it here on this phone, and we're going to show you what it sounds like when you're going through an exchange adapter.
Yes. Right. So what's the number?
386
386.
443.
Alright.
7315. Okay, you can hang up if you want. It's just gonna ring it for that.
Alright. Do you want to try the other number now?
If you want.
Okay.
So the second number we're going to call is going to go instantly to busy, so there will be no ringback. And that number starts off the same, so it's 386.
Alright.
443. 2. And then 333. There you go.
Yep.
Busy signal.
Alright. And that's it. Thanks for watching, YouTube.